For seafarers, stop the war disruption. It is not going to be for the kids. It is not going to be for 90% world trade that ships bring, food, water, all kinds of needs of humans. It is not for the inflation that you are going to make those countries that depend petrol, that the prices of everything will go sky high, of houses, of food, of school. Inflation will grow about 25%. It's not for all of those. It's simply for seafarers that really leave their homes, leave their families, join a ship in order to bring allotments every month to the families, to the wives, to the kids, and they are far away. Some of them are stuck now in the war area. Please stop the war. Please, just for seafarers, not just for the others. If you are a human listening to this video, stop the war for the seafarers. Just do it now, okay? Not for the other reasons that I'm not going to account for. Just for seafarers, they had nothing to do with this. They are just bringing revenue to the families, and they are really working very hard every day for a new future to the families. They did nothing for this. They do not deserve this. And if you are really a man, just stop it. Thank you. Bye.